when you own a pet such as a cat, you will notice that she doesn't need to be bathed like your puppies and dogs. As you witness, they can take care of themselves. They groom their body by licking and rubbing, as this cat is doing to its paws. The the licking will make it more the science behind the cat's ability to jump and climb walls is because they have very strong muscles in their paws, and that's why they value their paws too much. And you can see in their behavior that they take they care for their limbs.